What's up guys, T-Rex and Mixtape God right here. Welcome back to Mackie Summer. I believe it's still summer at this point. Now, right here what I have is the EM91C by Mackie. Now, this is a large diaphragm condenser microphone that's going to be really nice for your home studio. There's one thing I wasn't expecting from this microphone. It's for it to be so nice. It's really sleek actually, and it's quite small though. Smaller than a lot of microphones that I actually have back here, but that's what you see right propped up here. So I'm gonna do a really quick unboxing so you actually see what the unboxing experience is like for this, and then shortly after that we're gonna have a full review, and I'm gonna actually use this and I'm gonna tell you what it is. Now, one thing I'm gonna do for sure is I'm gonna use this to make a mixtape. I don't know if I'm gonna use the microphone to make a single, but I'm definitely gonna make a mixtape with it because that's how I love to test stuff. I don't just do voiceovers with them. I love to actually see what they're gonna do like when you're actually gonna record a song with it. Because I feel like a lot of people that watch my videos are actually upcoming artists or people who are actually getting into music. So this is gonna be a really nice way to recommend something for you. And also, big shout out to Mackie for sending this over for me to test out. Okay, like I said, it's gonna be a lot of Mackie stuff right here. It's Mackie Summer. I've been doing that for a while. There's a lot of Mackie things, okay, that you can actually check out. I'm gonna leave links, affiliate links, right in the description box right down below. So if you see anything by Mackie that you actually want to pick out, or any other thing that you see that's right behind me, those speakers are actually from Mackie, okay? Those are the CR5s. The videos should be out already. If it's not, sorry about that. But then there's a lot of Mackie stuff, so I just want you to go down there, check it out for yourself. If you see something you actually like, pick something up for yourself. If you're shopping around for your new studio equipment, then you can actually get one of these, okay? But I'm gonna do my very best to recommend and tell you my honest review, my honest truth as to what I actually really think about these, so it doesn't feel like I'm misleading you. And also, while you're down there, wanna pick yourself a J Black as well. I get a lot of questions about this on Instagram. No, this is not the only design. There's a whole host of designs. If you look at the website, okay, I just love this one. That is why I have this one. I'm gonna get another one hopefully soon, so you guys can actually see that there's multiples, but there are a whole lot of it. Just go down there, check it out. I'm gonna leave a link right down there. There's also a discount code. They can actually get 10% off each time you go down there and use this, okay? So let's dive right into what we actually have for today.
Alright guys, so welcome to this, and I'm just gonna make it really quick and really short. Alright, so we got the box right here, and I'm just gonna open this and you are just gonna see what comes in it real quick, real simple. So right here on the body we have a little bit of writing here that says that this can actually be used for your vocals, your voiceovers, your instrument, and also for podcasts, which is a real nice advertising there by Mackie. Now right here on the back we actually see a couple of things that actually come right here in the box, and there's three things. So first off, you have the mic itself. Second of all, you have a spider shock mount, and lastly you have an XLR cable. Now this is another reason why I really pride Mackie a lot, because they do give you a lot of accessories with this stuff. I mean, with almost anything that you buy from Mackie, you can guarantee that you're gonna get Pro Tools. And with this, how many manufacturers actually give you not only an XLR cable but also a spider shock mount? I've done a lot of microphone unboxings right here on the channel, and I can tell you that not a lot of them are gonna give you both. So kudos to Mackie right there. So let's just go right in and then see what else we have in here. So first off, we have a manual, and as always, I always say try to take a look at that. I mean, no one likes to read, but just try to take a look at that. And right here we have the microphone itself, looking all good, looking all nice, and I really must say it's a lot smaller than I actually thought it would be. It is really tiny, guys. I seriously was not expecting this to be this small after looking at it from the website. It's really tiny. So over there you have your traditional XLR cable, which you can actually just use any cable to go with it, but since this to come with is, I'm going to be using is to actually test it. And now just to give you a little bit of size comparison right here with the Audio Technica AT2020, just for you to see how small this microphone really is. It's also really portable though, which is something I actually quite like. It's going to be easy for me to take it around. Next we have the PRESONUS M7s right here. You can see the size again comparison. And last but not least, I like to bring in the LA2020 from Audio Technica. Now each and every one of these microphones, their reviews, I'm just going to be linking up in the cards up here, so you can actually go check them out if you want to. Going to be quite interesting, just so you can actually make up your mind if you're thinking of getting the new microphone. But yeah, so far so good. Now I'm just gonna put that onto the side, and then we're gonna grab the next thing that we can find in the box, which would be the XLR cable. Now this cable is black, which I do love black. It looks good, it looks sturdy. I'm gonna use this way. I'm gonna test it just to see how it performs. It actually looks really good, and this is actually quite nice. It clicks in really well as well, so that is really nice. There's no shakiness, it's sturdy, it feels nice, and it's quite all right there. Now the very last thing that we have in here is the spider shock mount, and this one actually looks quite different from the ones I actually do have here. And as you can actually see, that is for the Lantern Audio LA 2020, and it looks a little bit different though. Maybe that might have a hard time fitting into my microphone arm. I know, yeah, I'm just gonna have to check that, but let's just see how this does fit with the microphone itself. Quite of a squeeze there. It's actually quite tight. I'm just gonna try to force this in and just hope I don't break the microphone in the process. And there we have it. Now inside, this is really tight and really hard to get inside, but I kind of like it that way, because that way it does give a lot of sturdiness, so you guarantee that this is not going to fall off. Because usually I just leave my microphones in the spider shock mount on the stand, and I just leave it right there, so it's kind of like a really nice assurance knowing that it's not gonna just slip out and fall on its own. Alright then, and there we have it. So you guys do let me know what you want to see in the full review. I'm gonna be testing this with the Audix Producer 2.2 from Mackie itself. That is the audio interface of choice, and I'm gonna use that. I'm gonna test it with this, and I'm gonna see, because I'm trying to pair all of Mackie products, so I'm gonna be also pairing this with the MC350s, that is the studio headphones, and also the CR5s from Mackie, also with the CR8, the subwoofers. All of these I've already done the reviews. I'm gonna link them up right here in the cards. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you around.
Alright guys, that was it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Tell me what you think about that. Tell me what you want to know and what you actually want me to test in the full review. Okay, I'm going to be looking at, as you guys know, I always look at the comment section. I always respond to everything. Okay, so thank you guys again so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up, because it does help the algorithm. It's going to help me a lot more to get a lot more stuff like this, and it's also going to help someone out there who's looking for videos like this. That's a really great recommendation. You can also go ahead and share it to someone who you know is actually looking for stuff like this. Okay, if you're not subscribed, be sure to do that already. Turn on your bell notification, so when I do drop the full review, you are going to be the very first one to see it. Thank you again so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Stay safe.
For your chair.